Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to make Nutella fudge brownies. Take a bowl and add half cup melted butter or oil, half cup powdered sugar, 2 eggs and beat well. Then add half cup Nutella, 1 teaspoon vanilla essence and beat the mixture again. Then sift half cup all-purpose flour. 1/4 cup cocoa powder and fold the batter gently. Add half cup chopped milk chocolate. Grease an 8x8 pan and add parchment paper. And pour the batter in it. And spread Nutella all over the batter. Preheat the oven at 180 degrees for 15 minutes and bake at 190 degrees for 40 to 45 minutes. Into a piping bag add Nutella and spread it all over the brownies. To check if the brownies are baked, you can insert a toothpick and check if it's clean, then that means that they are ready. Let the brownies cool for a while and then you can cut and enjoy them. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe to our channel.